Unfortunately, I wasn't able to be outside filming and watching the whole operation from beginning to end. They started about 7:30 a.m., finished up around 3 o'clock, I think it was. Pretty busy day there for those guys. Here they had just excavated all the dirt and gravel out of the driveway. They've been there for 30 years, and they're now laying down Geotex fabric, installing gravel on top of that, and then throughout the rest of the driveway. The gravel is then compact rolled, and then after that you'll start to see the asphalt begin to be poured in place. Here you see them loading it from the dump truck over into the area by the garage and the door by hand with wheelbarrows, hand spreading it until they get further out so that they can begin to use the machine for the rest of the driveway. The heat that comes off that is unbelievable. These guys bear. Here you'll see they dump into the machine and move the dump truck forward, bring the machine forward, spreading as they go, get it back up to the back of the truck, and then load again, and so on. And that's how the asphalt is spread. And then following this, you'll see some of the rolling operation, their power roller, starting here. And then very quickly you see the driveway just about done. And here it is done. So I highly recommend Merrill Paving. Give them a call, 315-689-6651.